gonna be making
banana muffins.
Banana muffins. Okay, let's start the recipe.
You have 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 cup of butter, and 1.5 cup sugar, and 3 bananas and 4 eggs.
Perfect.
Okay, Lennox, Tutu?
Yeah.
Which one? Who you want to do the banana? Smash the banana.
Both of us want to do.
You're gonna do it? Okay. Who wanna peel?
Me.
Okay.
I want
Okay,
to
peel
drop
the
the
banana.
banana.
Okay, peel the banana.
And you
Put it
do
here.
the banana.
Peel the banana. Put it here.
What? The banana there?
Yes. Peel it.
The banana in it.
I know it. Peel it like this.
Don't eat the banana.
Don't eat the Don't eat the skin.
Don't eat the banana. How?
Throw it in here.
Why put it in?
Put it in here. Oh.
Turn it off. Well,
Banana in the trash.
Put it in here. Not still in the
I
skin.
got it.
Don't throw the skin there. Throw the banana in here.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's wanna smash?
Me.
Okay, you come over here. Closer and then smash like this. Okay,
Smash the banana.
Okay, smash it. Harder.
I want this. Ooh, they are banana.
Yes. Look at these.
I got baby banana.
Yep.
And it will be all for everyone. Yeah. You guys make it all. We need more banana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
8 balls.
Okay. Okay. It's all smashed.
All smashed.
Okay.
Nothing dirty.
Okay.
All done.
These
And
these
then
on
we'll
side.
mix it.
Okay. Who wanna crack the egg?
Me. No, us.
Okay. Crack the egg.
Crack. Crack, crack,
Yeah.
crack. I did crack it.
In here. Ready? Whoa! You see how egg showing up.
This is chicken egg.
Yeah, that's chicken egg.
Those are baby chickens.
There's no baby chicken here.
You take that from your baby. There's no baby.
There are no baby chicken here.
Those ones that you buy it from Costco.
Yeah. The eggshell.
Who did
Okay,
it?
we're gonna put butter in here.
Butter. Butter open. I want to do the butter.
It's all melting.
Yeah, I have to.
No trash.
Why you want like that and do this?
Okay.
So is it good?
Okay.
I want to mix it.
Okay, mix it. Baking soda.
Mixing is like that whistle. Oh, that.
Here. Okay, mix it.
Mixy. Or that.
gonna throw the banana.
Throw the banana.
Có trong chó là gì ăn không?
And we don't have enough to set it up. Whoa.
Banana in here.
Banana.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Mix it.
Let's get the banana.
Okay, and then pour the flour. Next, here, pour the flour.
And what do that?
Yeah, all the way. Pour everything here. Oh, we forgot the sugar. We forgot to pour the sugar. Yep. Together. Yep. We have one more flour. Okay. Okay, pour the flour.
Dump
Okay.
some finger on
Okay.
the muffin one. Whoa.
Okay, we're gonna mix it.
Mixer. Then we make something else again.
What do you want to make next?
Banana bread.
This is banana bread.
Let's have a banana muffin.
Same thing.
Make
Banana is ready. Ooh, look at our banana muffin. You want to try it? Lena, you want to try it? Okay, take one. Did you try it? Take one. Eat it. Ooh, is that good? Yummy? Tutu, is that yummy? What are you doing?
yummy.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us.
Bye.